Okay, believe it or not, Volusia County has one of the most robust artificial reef programs in the state. I know, I didn't believe it when I first heard it, but it's true. And to learn more about this, we're here at Sea Dog's Dive Shop, and we're gonna talk to Keith to find out about this amazing artificial reef program. Come on. Keith, you home?
Yeah.
I want to learn about this artificial reef program. I've been reading about it. I know you know a lot about it.
We got a great artificial reef program here, one of the most prolific in the world, in my opinion.
That's hard for me to believe. I mean, New Smyrna Beach, I would think
Yeah.
there's so many places in Florida that would have a bigger program, but Volusia County has one of the biggest.
You're exactly right. It has to do just with the way our water is. The first several miles, there's not a lot, mostly sand, and our natural reefs are much, much further out than they are in South Florida, which lends itself to giving us these inshore sites.
So a big canvas.
It's a great place to just start putting stuff down and create new ecosystems.
Yeah. How many wrecks are we talking about here?
Well, let's take a look at the map.
You got a map here.
This is probably the best map for our area, created by the Halifax Sport Fishing Club.
And this is in proximity. This is Ponce Inlet right here, right?
Most of these artificials are going to be in the 12 to 20 mile range. We've put about 15 artificial sites, and on those 15 artificial sites are literally hundreds of barge loads of concrete culverts, Jersey barriers, shipwrecks, airplanes, almost anything you can imagine.
So these are all just really accessible to a wide range of fishermen, right?
Absolutely.
You don't have to have a big boat to get out here.
The idea is, with the reefs being so far out, to bring the pressure off the reefs and into an area that is basically void of life until we create these artificial ecosystems.
I mean, on a calm day, you can get out there with an 18, 20-foot boat, right? Keith, I bet these attract a lot of fish.
An amazing amount of fish.
Can I have this map?
You sure can. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, sir, thank you so much. I'm going to be in touch with you soon in spring, and we're going to go dive on these wrecks.
Yeah. Hopefully that deployment of the Lady Philanoma and the Everglades, the tug, we're hoping to see those go down sooner, not too later, but weather permitting.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Got my map.
Great.
All right.
Awesome. We'll see you then.
Okay.